In today's video, I'm going to share with you a website that you can use to start making money online. If you are a beginner, this is a perfect strategy for you, as this website right here is going to pay you per 1,000 views you get, which means you don't need to sell any product. You don't need to have anyone fill in or complete any offer. And that also means you don't need to invest any money. As you can see right here, depending on the countries you get your views from, this is how much you are going to get paid per 1,000 views right here. Okay, as you can see right here, the website is safe. As it says here, safe advertising. All advertising is strictly family safe with no viruses. Antivirus and malware servers are scanning the advert 24/7. And also, as you can see right here, you get paid every day as long as you earn at least $5. All right, and you can get paid via PayPal, Payza, Skrill, or Bitcoin. So, and by no means will you get rich promoting links on this website. I just want to get that out of the way. If you want to make the big money online, then I recommend you dabble into CPA marketing instead, where you can make hundreds of dollars every single day. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can enroll for this course and start making money in passive income with CPA marketing. As you can scroll down here, and you are going to see a lot of students that are already making money with CPA marketing. All right, so getting back to this video, what you want to do from here, you want to basically just come over to cpmlink.net. You are going to be brought to this page. As you can see, shorten your links and earn money. So you just basically want to click on get started right here, and your account is going to look like this. So once you create your account, you want to head over to twitch.com, and I'm going to show you how to use this website to get thousands of views every day so you can make money with cpmlink.net. So once you are on Twitch, you want to click on this browse section, and once you do that, you want to scroll down to look for games that are getting at least 20,000 viewers. So I'm going to be taking this Grand Theft Auto V as an example. So if I click on this game right here, you want to filter these viewers to highest to lowest. All right, so once you do that, you want to click on any of the videos right here. All right, and then you want to click on this share button right here. All right, so once you do that, you want to basically click on this copy URL. So once you have the URL copied, you want to go back to your cpmlink.net account. You want to click on this section that says new shorten link. So once you click on that, you want to paste in the Twitch link right here, and you want to click on submit. So once you have your link shortened right here, the next thing you want to do, I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to this website. So you want to type in something short and simple like this: never seen before GTA V gameplay. If you are looking to up your GTA V skills, then this is a must watch video for you, and you are going to have your link right here. Now, to promote this, all you just need to do is type in the name of the game on Google, and then you want to type in forum next to it. As you can see right here, there are a lot of forums that talk about this game right here, and this is one of the forum right here. You can see someone here 19 minutes ago who is talking about this post right here. So basically, you just want to come over to the discussion section, and you want to recommend this gameplay right here to people who are already interested in the game. All right, so as you can see, this is another forum right here that you can join, and you can start recommending people to watch that gameplay. And keep in mind, you don't need them to purchase or to submit or complete any offer or anything like that. All they literally need to do is click on the link and view the page, and you make money. All right, so the final method you can do is going over to Facebook and joining as many groups that are related to the game. All right, you can see right here, this one has 370,000 members. You can see this one also has 31,000 members, and you can see right here, most of the groups have thousands of members on them. So basically, it's very easy to get thousands of people to click on your link. And like I said, you can come over here and click on other games. So once you're done with that, you can repeat the same process for all of the games on this page right here. As you can see, there are numerous games on this page right here. So I can guarantee you that if you repeat this same process for as many games as you can find right here, then you are going to make money every single day. All right, so basically that is how easy it is. Grab the link to any of this game right here, and you want to shorten the link on this website right here, and then you want to go over to Google and look for forums that are interested in that game, and you want to recommend them to watch the game. And I've also made a script available to you that you can literally just copy and paste and repeat the same process. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any useful information, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.